Good evening, guys.
Good evening, sir.
How are you all?
We are fine, and you?
I am also fine. So guys, as you know that we have studied the topic has to and have to in present, had to in past, and will have to in future. So today we have to make practice one by one. You all have to come here and you have to practice. आज आप देखेंगे इस वीडियो में दोस्तों कि किस तरीके से हम अंग्रेजी की प्रैक्टिस घर पर कर सकते हैं। ये सारे क्लास के बच्चे एक एक करके यहाँ पर आएंगे। इनको पूरी जो ऑडियंस यहाँ पर बैठी हुई है वो क्वेश्चन पूछेंगी और ये यहाँ पर आपके सामने लाइव जवाब देंगे, पूरे के पूरे प्रेजेंट, पास्ट और फ्यूचर में कन्वर्ट करके दिखाएंगी। दोस्तों जो बेस्ट मेथड होती है स्पोकन इंग्लिश की वो होती है कन्वर्जन मेथड, ट्रांसलेशन मेथड। हिंदी का सेंटेंस हमें अगर अंग्रेजी में कन्वर्ट करना है तो उसके लिए हमें पर्टिकुलरली फॉर्मूले की ज़रूरत पड़ती है। आज हम ये सीखेंगे कि अगर हमें ऐसा बोलना हो कि हमें स्कूल जाना है, हमें मार्केट जाना है, मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है या मुझे खाना बनाना पड़ता है, या हम पास्ट में बोलते हैं कि हमें मोबाइल चलाना था, मुझे उससे बात करनी थी, या फ्यूचर में हम कई बार बोलते हैं कि हमें तो वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा, तुम्हें तो उससे मिलना पड़ेगा। तो ये सारे प्रकार के वाक्यों की आज प्रैक्टिस करेंगे एंड यकीन मानिए अगर आप इस पूरी क्लास को देखते हैं अच्छे से तो आपको ये टॉपिक अच्छे समझ में आ जाएगा। तो चलिए विदाउट टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का टॉपिक।
Hi everyone, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
I am also fine. My name is Swati Pawar from Sanawat. First of all, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. Today's topic use of has to, have to. So let's start. Please ask me question.
राधिका को पत्र लिखना है।
My sentence is राधिका को पत्र लिखना है। First present, Radhika has to write a letter. Radhika does not have to write letter. Does Radhika have to write letter? Does Radhika not have to write letter? Second past, राधिका को पत्र लिखना था. Radhika had to write letter. Radhika did not have to write letter. Did Radhika have to write letter? Did Radhika not have to write letter? Third future, राधिका को पत्र लिखना होगा. Radhika will have to write a letter. Radhika will not have to write letter. Will Radhika have to write letter? Will Radhika not have to write letter? Thank you so much for listening me.
Hi friends, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
I am also good. My name is Garima Punase and our today's topic is has to and have to. So what is my question?
मेरे भाई को दरवाजा बंद करना है।
My question is मेरे भाई को दरवाज़ा बंद करना है. Firstly I am changing the sentence in present. मेरे भाई को दरवाज़ा बंद करना है. My brother has to shut the door. My brother does not have to shut the door. Does my brother have to shut the door? Does my brother not have to shut the door? In past मेरे भाई को दरवाज़ा बंद करना था. My brother had to shut the door. My brother did not have to shut the door. Did my brother have to shut the door? Did my brother not have to shut the door? In future मेरे भाई को दरवाज़ा बंद करना होगा. My brother will have to shut the door. My brother will not have to shut the door. Will my brother have to shut the door? Will my brother not have to shut the door? Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine, and you?
I am also fine. My name is Yamini Pawar from Sanawat. Today's topic is has to and have to. So please guys ask me a question.
भारत के लोगों को अच्छा नेता चुनना है.
My sentence is भारत के लोगों को अच्छा नेता चुनना है. In present, the people of India have to elect a great leader. The people of India do not have to elect a great leader. Do the people of India have to elect a good leader? Do the people of India not have to elect a good leader? In past, भारत के लोगों को अच्छा नेता चुनना था. The people of India had to elect a good leader. The people of India did not have to elect a good leader. Did the people of India have to elect a good leader? Did the people of India not have to elect a good leader? In future, भारत के लोगों को अच्छा नेता चुनना होगा. The people of India will have to elect a good leader. The people of India will not have to elect a good leader. Will the people of India have to elect a good leader? Will the people of India not have to elect a good leader? Thank you so much for listening.
Hello friends, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine, and you?
I am fine. My name is Bhumika Naria. Today's my topic is has to, have to. Please ask me question.
मुझे फिल्म देखनी है.
My question is मुझे फिल्म देखनी है. In present, I have to watch movie. I do not have to watch movie. Do I have to watch movie? Do I not have to watch movie? In past, मुझे फिल्म देखनी थी. I had to watch movie. I did not have to watch movie. Did I have to watch movie? Did I not have to watch movie? In future, मुझे फिल्म देखनी पड़ेगी. I will have to watch movie. I will not have to watch movie. Will I have to watch movie? Will I not have to watch movie?
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
How are you all?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. Thank you, sir, to give this opportunity to me. My name is Athar Dubey. Today's my topic is has to and have to. Anyone ask me a question?
उसे आसमान में उड़ना है.
My question is उसे आसमान में उड़ना है. In present, he has to fly in the sky. He does not have to fly in the sky. Does he have to fly in the sky? Does he not have to fly in the sky? In past, the structure is he had to fly in the sky. He did not have to fly in the sky. Did he have to fly in the sky? Did he not have to fly in the sky? In future, the structure is he will have to fly in the sky. He will not have to fly in the sky. Will he have to fly in the sky? Will he not have to fly in the sky? Thanks for listening me.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. Today's topic had to have to. Please ask me question.
आपको कार चलानी है.
My sentence is आपको कार चलानी है. You have to drive car. You do not have to drive car. Do you have to drive car? Do you not have to drive car? In past आपको कार चलानी थी. You had to drive car. You did not have to drive car. Did you have to drive car? Did you not have to drive car? In future आपको कार चलानी होगी. You will have to drive car. You will not have to drive car. Will you have to drive car? Will you not have to drive car? Thank you for listening.
Hello friends.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. My name is Minu Soni. Today my topic is has to and have to. Let's start. Ask me sentence.
मुझे कपड़े धोना है.
मुझे कपड़े धोना है. I have to wash clothes. I do not have to wash clothes. Do I have to wash clothes? Do I not have to wash clothes? First, मुझे कपड़े धोना था. I had to wash clothes. I did not have to wash clothes. Did I have to wash clothes? Did I not have to wash clothes? Future, मुझे कपड़े धोने होंगे. I will have to wash clothes. I will not have to wash clothes. Will I have to wash clothes? Will I not have to wash clothes? Thank you.
Hello friends.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. My name is Radhika Vyas. Ask me question. राधिका को नया मोबाइल खरीदना है. राधिका हैज़ टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल. राधिका डज नॉट हैव टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल. डज राधिका हैव टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल. डज राधिका नॉट हैव टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल. राधिका को नया मोबाइल खरीदना था. राधिका हैड टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल. राधिका डिड नॉट हैव टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल. डिड राधिका हैव टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल. डिड राधिका नॉट हैव टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल. राधिका को नया मोबाइल खरीदना होगा. राधिका विल हैव टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल. राधिका विल नॉट हैव टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल. विल राधिका हैव टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल. विल राधिका नॉट हैव टू बाय न्यू मोबाइल. थैंक यू.
Hi everyone. Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. My name is Harshit Birla. Today's my topic is has to and have to. Please ask me question.
राहुल को घर साफ करना है.
My sentence is राहुल को घर साफ करना है. Rahul has to clean the house. Rahul does not have to clean the house. Does Rahul have to clean the house? Does Rahul not have to clean the house? In past राहुल को घर साफ करना था. Rahul had to clean the house. Rahul didn't have to clean the house. Did Rahul have to clean the house? Did Rahul not have to clean the house? In future राहुल को घर साफ करना होगा. Rahul will have to clean the house. Rahul will not have to clean the house. Will Rahul have to clean the house? Will Rahul not have to clean the house? Thank you.
Hi friends, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. My name is Vaidik Punase. Today's my topic is has to and have to. Firstly, thank you sir for giving me this opportunity. So let's start. What is my question?
उसे खाना पकाना है.
My sentence is that उसे खाना पकाना है. First, present. उसे खाना पकाना है. He has to cook food. He does not have to cook food. Does he have to cook food? Does he not have to cook food? In past, the sentence like that in past, उसे खाना पकाना था. He had to cook food. He did not have to cook food. Did he have to cook food? Did he not have to cook food? In future, the sentence like that in future, उसे खाना पकाना पड़ेगा. He will have to cook food. He will not have to cook food. Will he have to cook food? Will he not have to cook food? Thank you for listening me.
Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also good. My name is Tanisha Patil. Today topic is has to and have to. Ask me question.
मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है.
मुझे पढ़ाई करनी है. इन प्रेजेंट आई हैव टू स्टडी. आई डू नॉट हैव टू स्टडी. डू आई हैव टू स्टडी. डू आई नॉट हैव टू स्टडी. इन पास्ट मुझे पढ़ाई करनी थी. आई हैड टू स्टडी. आई डू नॉट हैव टू स्टडी. आई डिड नॉट हैव टू स्टडी. डिड आई हैव टू स्टडी. डिड आई नॉट हैव टू स्टडी. मुझे पढ़ाई करनी होगी. इन फ्यूचर आई विल हैव टू स्टडी. आई विल नॉट हैव टू स्टडी. विल आई हैव टू स्टडी. विल आई नॉट हैव टू स्टडी. थैंक यू.
Good evening all. How are you?
We are fine and you?
I am also fine. Today's my topic is have to and has to. My name is Himanshu Dubey. Anyone asking me a question?
मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना है.
मुझे अंग्रेजी बोलना है. I have to speak English. I do not have to speak English. Do I have to speak English? I do not have to speak English. Second is past. I had to speak English. I did not had to speak English. Did I have to speak English? Did I not have to speak English? Third is future. I will have to speak English. I will not have to speak English. I will not have to speak English. Will I have to speak English? Will I not have to speak English?